Let's do Hunter. Let's do Hunter. Yeah, okay, I think this. I like this. Alright. Am I in Pipe Yard? Might be in Pipe Yard or. What's it called? Yep. Alright. There is a gate there though. Okay, where are we? Where are we? Industrial. You can go to industrial from Pipe Yard. Oh. Oh. I trust this is gonna be fine. Oh. Think. Yeah. One it is enough. Alright. We might karma farm a little. Oh, do we have enough I think we have enough karma for Chimney. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, there goes another cycle, I guess. It's fine. Okay, like any spears, please. Any spears? Any spare change? Whoa, dropwig spotted. I think I just. You can take that. I do need a spear though. Thank you. Oh. Oh my god. At least we're getting creature kills, I mean. Okay, no scavengers, that's. Uh oh. Easy. I think we can go this way. Should we go up here actually? We're zooming, dude. No, actually we do. Oh wait, there's a pipe there. Okay, I need to eat, so. Oh. Oh, the droplet wasn't dead. I could have killed him. Wait. Wait, no, I don't have enough food. Oh. Hi, guys. No, this. No. Okay, maybe we need to go left from here. Dude. Stop spawn camping. That's literally where my pipe is. Lizard here. And there's a cyan. Loki. Come here. I think I'm just gonna save here actually. There's a shelter here. Alright. We're doing good. Did we get Allah? Yes. Where'd it go? Where did it go? If we die, I don't want to make that journey again. So. Wrong. Nope. Why did. Does batflies just kill themselves for no reason? Oh no. Oh no, my. Okay, now that plan also might be a problem. Oh, yep. Okay, they're fighting. Okay, both of them just went into this hole. Perfect. Whoa, no, it's gonna kill me. Fuck! I hate scavengers. Yeah, okay, let's go the other way. Let's go the other way. I might need that. I might need a vulture, like the vulture grub. Like stored in my stomach. Is there any? Uh. Okay, I have an idea. We fight that guy. Shit. Okay. Not okay. Not okay. Not okay. Not okay. Okay, I think we just need to go up. Of course it's a sign. Okay, it just left. Perfect. Wait, how do I? I need to go to the right. Oh no. Oh no. We're fine, don't worry, we're fine. Alright. Like. Alright. Now or never. Now or never. Alright. Fuck! Yeah, I think that's maybe enough for now.